Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Deepa Shetty. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell. In today's video, I'm going to do this look. I thought why not make a festive look, and Diwali is coming, so I thought let's do something glittery, blue, pink, let's play with the colors. So quickly let's start with the video. The first product that I'm going to put is a face moisturizer, and it is by Mamaearth Oil Free Moisturizer. It suits all skin types. It is for actually acne prone skin. You can use it daily, twice a day. You can use it alone or you can use it under the makeup also. So for my skin, I find this cream very comfortable to put. So as a base, I use this as my moisturizer. In every video I have said you should always moisturize your face before putting makeup, because it doesn't look dry after putting the makeup, and it will not give you a cakey look. Primer, it's by Nykaa Prep Me Up. Guys, the next product that I'm using is a foundation that is by Maybelline Fit Me 115 Classic Ivory, and I'm going to mix this foundation with Miss Claire liquid foundation for perfect coverage. This is one shade lighter because I want to cover my dark circles and acne, so I'm going to mix both these and I'm going to use both these foundations. This foundation has got a little shimmer, so for festive look I thought why not use this, because this will give me a shimmery effect on my face. Guys, I have put a lip balm because by the time I'll be done with my makeup, my lips will be completely moisturized, and then in the last I'll be putting my lipstick. So after putting foundation, I'm going to put concealer, and this concealer is by Avon in the shade Pink Light. After applying concealer, I'm going to put a Lakme Rose Powder so that my makeup will be set and it will not look cakey. Guys, after 5 minutes, I'll just dust out the powder. Next step is I'm going to contour my face, and the contour that I'm using is by Ultra Professional palette, palette number 3. I'll just draw a line. Now I will just blend the contour. Next I'm going to apply blush, and that is again by Swiss Beauty Ultra Professional palette, palette number 3. So guys, you should always apply your blush. You have to blend the blush and the contour. Otherwise, if you don't blend it together, the contour will look different and then the blush will look different. So you have to blend both blush and the contour. I'll apply a little blush on my nose. So I'm going to apply highlighter that is by Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold. I'm going to put little on my nose bridge, nose end point, little on my chin, and I'll just dust it on my forehead. That's it. You don't have to apply it, you just have to dust it. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I have got a pencil by Swiss Beauty. This is Jet Black 101, and this is eyebrow filler by Nykaa Take a Bro in the shade Coco Raven. Okay guys, I have applied little concealer below my eyebrows so that my brow bone is highlighted. Next I'm going to put in eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow is again by Swiss Beauty Ultra Professional Palette number 03, this pink, and then I'm going to use glitter over it by Wet n Wild. Guys, I'm putting the same eyeshadow below my waterline. I'm going to use a white crayon that is by LA Colors. So this I'm going to use it for my waterline. After applying white crayon, I'm going to use a blue pencil that is by Nykaa in the shade Blue Hex 01. So this pencil I'm going to use as a eyeliner. The next product that I'm using is mascara by Faces Canada. Next I'm going to use a highlighter for my inner corner of the eyes. Guys, the last product that I'm going to use is a lipstick and a gloss. I'm going to mix two products, and both these products are from Nykaa. One is matte and one is glossy. So the matte one is Bay 04 and the glossy is Riding Solo 03. So I'm going to mix both these and create a look. Hope all you guys liked my festive look today. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell, and in advance happy Diwali to everyone, and thanks for watching my video.